Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be covering Leader of the Landslide by the Lumineers in standard tuning with the Capo on the 2nd fret. Alright, so the first chord we're going to be going over is a C. So he's holding his C chord with his ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, open on the 3rd, index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. He's kind of playing with his fingers right here. So strumming down, hammering on with that middle finger, plucking up with your index finger, and then hitting that 5th string again. Then F chord. So you're just moving your pinky. You're holding that C chord, you're moving your pinky to the 3rd fret of the 4th string, and now your middle finger is going down to the G string on the 2nd fret. So and then he pulls off on that last one, it sounds like sometimes. So he plays that for a little bit in the first verse. So then he comes down to this D, okay? So you just move your ring finger down to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you kind of like bar your 1st finger over the 1st fret of the B and the E string, so. And then you lift up that middle finger and bring it up here to like a C position. So again. Is she dead? Is she fine? Every day, every night. And then it goes into a strumming pattern with a G. Make sure you're muting that low E string with your thumb when you're playing that F chord, okay? So he's strumming that through the next couple verses, and then same thing when he plays that D again. All I ever wanted was okay, so he's playing that D right there. He's keeping that index finger right there, and then he comes up here, mother. So it's like a G right there. So he got his middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, his ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, his pinky is on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and his index finger is on the 1st fret of the high E string. So mother for the lift up that pinky first time. Finally I could see you as the leader of the landslide. So again, that's all I ever wanted was a mother for the first time. Finally I can see you as the leader of the landslide. And then it goes right into a C. That's a middle finger, ring finger on the 2nd fret, 5th and 4th string, index finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string, and then just move move that position down 1 fret or 1 string, so you hit that A minor, F, C, E minor, C. The only thing I know is that I'm going to be, and maybe when she's dead, I'll get some. Right back into that G, C. So then it will go through that same D and then that G pattern again. Okay, and then play the chorus again. And then at the end, it goes through the same chords, like, I think it's out there all alone. Like, see, I was feeling all alone, E minor. Like a poltergeist, A minor, and the F afterlife, faded by degrees. E minor, I was shaking in the knees. The aftermath, A minor, F, this broken glass. Then we start strumming on that F. So that's just an F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, C. So that's the whole song right there. There's only about 5 or 6 chords. It's a real pretty song. Just listen to it a bunch of times and play along with it, and you'll pick it up just fine. Thanks for coming back. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.